Welcome back, my subscribers. Yep, we have purchased us a '05 Explorer. It's going to be a new adventure. Going to build this so the wife will have a beach cruiser or whatever grocery getter instead of driving that 2017 Shadow Edition GT. Always use U-Haul. Can't beat it, 60-some dollars a day. But anyway, you guys may know I use a 2,000-pound boat winch. And I got to get it lined up with the trailer. So I kind of run the cable all the way up around under the trailer. And with just a little bumps here and there, got the back end jacked up. I should be able to get it straightened up. All right, furthermore coming. All right, subscribers, just giving you a little close-up of what we're doing. 12-volt battery. A 2,000-pound electric boat winch. A U-Haul trailer, and an '05 Explorer. Had to do some finagling to get it over in line with the trailer, but all right, stay tuned, we're about on.